Today, we're taking a look at this camping lantern, and before we get too much further, it is important to note it was provided for demonstration purposes. Now, what I like about this lantern is it's definitely unique. It's not the kind of lantern that you will see from most suppliers, but it has a lot of features packed into this. It's got machine-grade aluminum, it's a IPX4 waterproof rating, and then it has all kinds of things to change the way the light works. So the first thing you're going to notice is it comes with a nice carrying case. Inside of the carrying case, you get a lanyard that will help with holding it, hanging it, kind of placing this wherever you need to do. And then it'll also come with your USB-C charging cable. This carrying case is really nice. It's form-fitted, so even the hook fits out here. And it's going to keep it nice and protected when you're traveling and carrying it around with you. You can see that the hook just clips on top here, and boom. Now you got a little way to hang this or easily hold it wherever you need it. Now, in order to use this, your controls are going to be a little bit all over the place. Right here, we have our USB-C charging. So when you take that off, you'll be able to see the USB-C port here to charge the device. And then next, what you'll see is that this button right here is your power button. As we turn it on, you can see the LCD screen pops up and we are at 100%. We can do a couple things from here. This right here, this knob, if you twist it, it will actually change the temperature of the light. So you'll see that we can go from this very warm yellow, and then we can take it all the way to a very bright white light. You can also change the power of the light by clicking this button up top. You can see that it gets brighter and brighter, and this right here is that max output here. And it is bright. It's definitely gonna light up an area, light up your tent, kind of whatever you need to do, it's gonna light it up. Now, what you can also do here, which is really cool, is that this button here, if you double click it, it's going to go into a red flashing mode, kind of like a little SOS kind of symbol here, or a way to draw attention to whatever's going on. Maybe you're pulled over on the side of a freeway. You can definitely alert people around you. And then what you can also do, and this one is very bright, is when you hold this, it's going to flash insanely bright white light. So you're gonna hold it for a second or two, and you can see that that is crazy. This looks like it belongs inside of a haunted house or something crazy. And then to turn it off, all you gotta do is push that button again. I don't know if you could notice because I have all my lights on here, but once that light turns off, this ring right here will end up glowing, making it easy to find right after you turn it off, just in case you need to turn it back on again. We'll give that a shot. On the bottom, this has one of your standard tripod mounts here. So if you want to put it on a tripod or something similar, you're able to do that. And it also has magnets. So you'll be able to magnetize this, attach it to metal or anything along those lines. This is super versatile and it will do a great job wherever you need to take it. This has a 3000 milliamp battery, and then depending on which brightness level you're using, it can last up to 15 hours. And one of my favorite things really is this percentage indicator here. It's going to let you know how much longer you have, right? You're going to be able to watch it as it drops down and keep some sort of insight to how much longer you have left. Overall, if you're looking for a camping lantern, something that's very versatile and it's going to help light up the area, I do recommend this one. I'm super happy with it. If you're interested in buying this, there's an affiliate link in the description down below. No cost to you. If you end up buying it, I'll get a little kickback, which will help support the channel. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and like it. Comment down below if you have any questions about this. I'll do my best to get those answered for you. Most importantly, have a great day.